This is an unboxing of White's Bullseye TRX Pinpointer. I got it online for about $200. Claims to be waterproof. Has all sorts of claims, no matter where you look. Wow, amazing. Let's see what's inside the box. Comes with two double A's, and here's the case for that. Also comes with the option for a 9-volt. I don't know what this part's for. I'm guessing the 9-volt sits in there. Oh, comes with a pretty nice little pouch. Very similar to the Garrett Pro Pointer 2. Physically quite a bit bigger at the handle. At least I thought it was. No, it's not too far off from each other. So the Garrett Pro Pointer, from what I understand, gives you a large radius all the way around. So if you're searching for something like this, if there's something over here, it'll beep. Whereas from my understanding, the TRX, if you're going like this, it's only going to detect what's right in front of it. So the Garrett, I think, would be better if you're looking for large objects and just trying to find wherever they are, where the TRX is if you have an idea of where you're looking and you're pointed in that direction, and hopefully it'll tell you that's where it is. Made in the USA. It's got a little measuring thing on the back. Apparently this outer case can be replaced real easy. Feels pretty sturdy. Again, it claims to be waterproof. I was curious about how they would do this. So yeah, it looks like if you use the 9-volt, you might have to slip this in like that against the back of it. Whereas if you use double A, it just sits out the back like that. Ooh. Oh, it's got a light. I don't know what it's detecting. Oh, it's detecting something in the wood, I'm guessing. Let's see. Holy cow, is this thing ever sensitive? Doesn't appear... No way. I have a couple little gold flakes in here. I don't know if it's actually detecting those, or if it's detecting something else. I have a feeling it's detecting something under the wood. Yeah, it's turned off. Wow, that's very, very sensitive. Unfortunately, it's not picking up the tiny gold bits that I have here to test. And these guys are super small, so, you know, no love lost if I can't find them. But I was under the impression that this thing can pick up some fairly small pieces with accuracy. So I'm going to take this out and give it a try. But that's what you get in the package, as well as an instruction manual. Look at all this cool stuff I'm gonna find. Woohoo! Where's the gold? Oh, look at that. Nice little manual. Bullseye TRX area detecting is concentrated around the tip, making it easy to zero in on the target. When scanning a dirt pile, hold the Bullseye TRX at an angle between 90 degrees and 45. Coins that are on the edges are often on the wall of the hole. As the tip is lowered into the hole, the peak response is produced as the tip passes the coin. So that's how it gets. Going to give you the more accurate finding. Well, it's hard to ignore that sound too. Well, I'm very happy that this is waterproof, and I think it looks really nice, and I'm really excited to take it out and give it a try in the field. So, talk to you guys again soon. That's from Rock and Rye. Rock and Rye's how-to videos, but this is more of an unboxing. Oh, and this also supposedly has some sort of a thing, so if you put it on the ground and walk away from it for like 5 minutes, it'll beep on its own, so that you don't walk away from it too far and leave it behind. And it's also got a piece for a lanyard up here. Too bad it didn't come with one. That's okay. The Garrett AT Pro also has that. So, I'll let you guys know how they turn out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.